Ever noticed someone sneezing when they step into sunlight? It's not a fluke. It's a phenomenon known as photic sneeze reflex. Intriguing, isn't it? This reflex is also humorously referred to as ACHOO Syndrome, which stands for Autosomal Dominant Compelling Helio-Ophthalmic Outburst. Quite a mouthful, right? This peculiar quirk is thought to affect up to 1 in 3 people worldwide. Scientists believe it might be a genetic trait, but the exact cause remains a mystery. So next time you see someone sneezing under the sun, remember, they're not necessarily unwell or allergic to the great outdoors. They might just be experiencing the photic sneeze reflex. That's your fun fact for the day. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world around you.